Everyone, let me discuss one by one income tax as well as GST portion. Let me first discuss GST portion so that you'll gain too much of confidence. Fine, yeah. First one, this is actually Jan 26 review paper. Okay, even I have written this attempt. Let me tell how I have written all the answers. TTY Private Limited, a registered supplier in Bangalore, has provided the following information of supply received or made during the June. First one, it will be covered under FCM. Okay, forward charge mechanism 4 lakh. So supply of taxable goods to Mr. Sudhir of Ubli, registered under composition scheme in the state of Karnataka. So it will be FCM. And second one, hiring receipt for supply of industrial heavy machine along with supply of machine operator, both like 2,25,000 you have to do separately. Not 2,25,000, actually they have given separately but not separately charged. Okay, both are given separately. What I did was I considered one thing. I mean, without this can't be supplied, so it will be a composite supply, right? As per section 2 subsection 30, it will be a composite supply. So composite supply, which one? The first one thing is without machine operator, nothing will be supplied. So machine operator GST will be applied and FCM will be applied, as the case may be. Next, renting of dumper including driver given for transport of minerals within the mining area in Jharkhand for the period of 18 months. Even this has to be FCM. Okay, last one, it will be FCM. Why? Because it is it has no, it will not be FCM. Sorry, it will not be FCM since it has the same GSTIN. Here indirectly they are telling that stock has been transferred without considering to its branch, without consideration to its branch in Shimoga, Karnataka. Branch has the same GSTIN, means there they have not separately registered this GSTIN and that GSTIN same. So if it is separately registered, it will be a distinct person. They have not registered, so it will not be considered as supply. Achha. Then this one, it is actually as per section 17 subsection 5 IAA. What it will be is, it will be exempt because 26 motor car, sitting capacity 14% excluding driver. So of Karnataka KSRTC, it is exempt. Then inward transaction, what are the ITC available? Let me see it. Purchase for electric scooter with engine capacity, this is exempt. Okay, as it is for electric scooters, to use by its employee for communicating. If it is used by its employee, it is exempt. If it's used for passenger, yes, ITC would have been available. Acha. Then second one, Mr. Rajay, manager director, went to Surat, Gujarat for meeting in June 25 and stayed 3 days. Royal Residency Hotel registered in the state of Gujarat. Hotel accommodation charges paid 18,000 for the stay. This will be considered as ITC. ITC available. Acha. And this one, under reverse charge mechanism, industry transaction available under RCM. However, tax due, this we have to pay, add it to the tax liability and pay in this month because they have already availed it, right? See, you can see our tax under the said transaction was paid in government in December 2024 and input tax credit availed in the same month. So we have to reverse it. Since they have not paid till the date, we have to reverse it and pay it in this month to the output tax liability, including the interest, because here it is 181 days. We have only 180 days. Okay, yeah. Then here, let me go ahead. On 11 June, received a debit note 2,50,000 in respect of inward supply. Okay, this we have to issue further the credit note. Okay, so yeah, it was issued in the month and was found the supply was in. Here invoice value is recorded erroneously, so we have to issue credit note, so ITC has to be reversed, right? Yes. So yeah, do the same way. That's it. That's how I did. Actually, this went very well. This one, let me go ahead. This 8,50,000 we have to do. Add 42,000, 3% contract price. 8,50,000 will be there. And this invoice, since he has not taken and he told not, I don't need that interest. Actually, here he tells that I don't need interest. You can see here. Wait, just give me a minute. Normally give interest free credit for 15 days period. Invoice per month shall be the payment was made after 18 months, however waived. The interest was waived, so no need to record interest. This, since it was directly linked to the price, government would have been already reduced, so no need nothing. This 60,000 need to be added. That's it. This they have given just to confuse you. Okay, that's it, done. This one, RCM, we have to do RCM. We have RCM in case of service, right? Like 61st day from the date of invoice as well as the receipt of payment, whichever is earlier, both has to be done in the same way. Fine. Yeah. Then this one, this is actually amount received for camps conducted spiritually for old age, exempt. Okay, not exempt, yaar. Spirituality for the people of old age. I have written it is exempt. Provide skill development program for updown. This one actually it is taxable. Okay, this is exempt. This one is taxable. Since it is more than 10,000, fully taxable. Okay. Then grants advertising right to a person for publicity on the premises of charitable or religious trust, taxable. This one taxable. Do it. Okay. This one, service by court or tribunal established under any law for the time being in force. Schedule, under which schedule? Okay, scheduled by a court or tribunal, service by a court or tribunal established under any law. This is actually it is negative list. Okay, any treatment for process which has schedule 2, which is service who's forming part of business asset no longer for. Okay, this is actually what we can however tell it is a schedule 3 negative list, but however since ITC is not available, what we can also give another answer is, however if it is a going concern it will be negative list. Okay, and in case if there is any consideration it will be schedule 1. You have to write for a safer side. Okay, sale of land, it is services. Okay, sale of land and building, sorry, sale of land is negative. Okay, sale of building will be actually schedule 2, that is pre-construction and post-construction as the case may be. Permanent transfer or disposal of business asset where ITC has been availed on such asset, obviously it is schedule 1. I didn't do this second one, I did this. Okay, determine the situation where you can issue credit note as invoice value is more than actual invoice, GSTN, or in case if there is any return in goods, I mean sales return, or in case if there is any defect in goods. Okay, that you can do it. Maximum time limit, that is 30th November or date of filing the annual return, whichever is earlier. Can the credit note under GST be issued in case of secondary discount allowed by supplier? No, generally no. In case if the discount has been agreed before the purchase, yes, it can be issued. You have to write like that. Okay.